kids, welcome to ABC Kids World. Today we will learn counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here come 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's learn more. 1 melon, 2 cherries, 3 apples, 4 lemon, 5 mangoes, 6 pineapple, 7 orange, 8 brinjals, 9 berries, 10 strawberry shapes. Circle, triangle, star, heart, square, rectangle, pentagon, star, square, hexagon, diamond, octagon. Thank you. Subscribe ABC Kids World, like, subscribe and share.